How to transfer photos from your Android or any other phone to laptop without using a cable. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up Google Drive and create a folder here. So go ahead and click on New and then Create Folder. I'm going to name it Photos and click on Create. Head inside the folder. Now just simply upload the photos that you want to transfer. So tap on the plus icon, go to Upload. Here I've selected a few images from my gallery, so I'm just going to tap on Done. And once that is done, click on Upload. Now it will be uploaded to your Google Drive. And once all of the items are uploaded, all you have to do now is just go ahead and open up your laptop or your PC and simply go ahead and log into this exact Google Drive. Select the photo that you want to download and then simply click on that download option, and you should be able to download this on your PC without any cable. That's how you basically transfer files or photos from your phone to laptop without a physical cable. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.